A very good day, South Africa, and welcome to the Weather Center. It was a wet start off to your Thursday morning along the west coast due to a cold front. We also had wet conditions over the northeast, but it was clear as a bell with fun and dry weather for much of the central interior. Now for your Thursday, we're expecting thunderstorm activity over Limpopo, as well as for much of Gauteng. We're expecting isolated showers along the KwaZulu-Natal coast, as well as for the Eastern Cape coastline. Showers are forecast along the south, as well as for much of the west, but it's going to be fun and dry with nice and clear skies for the northern parts of the Northern Cape, becoming partly cloudy as we head into the south. Now here's a rainfall map for today, indicating up to a 40% chance of rain along the Garden Route, as well as for parts of the west coast. We're expecting up to a 40% chance of rain for the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal. Scattered thunderstorms are forecast for much of Mpumalanga, as well as for the northern parts of Gauteng, but it's going to remain fun and dry for much of the central interior. Now we're expecting a hot afternoon for Polokwane with a high of 30 degrees, and Mbombela will peak at 29 degrees for your Thursday. It's going to be hot for much of KwaZulu-Natal. We're expecting highs to peak in the upper 20s near Richards Bay. Cool as we head into the south. We're expecting a high of 20 degrees for George, 21 for the mother city, and we're anticipating a warm afternoon for Uppington with a high of 25 degrees. Now let's take a look at your coastal forecast for today. We're expecting poor beach weather for Langaban, Lambert's Bay, as well as for Namakwaland. We're expecting very fresh winds as we head into Alexandra Bay with wind speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour. We're expecting wave heights to vary between 2 and 4 feet with open ocean swells of up to 2 meters. Then along the southwest, we're expecting very strong winds near Strathspey with wind speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Moderate wind speeds are forecast near the Cape Atlantic seaboard, but isolated showers will ensure poor beach weather near the Cape Falls Bay area, as well as for Hermanus, and we're expecting wave heights to vary between 4 and 5 feet. Then for the south, we're expecting a windy afternoon once again for Port Elizabeth, as well as for Jeffreys Bay. It's going to be very windy as we head into Plettenberg Bay, where we're expecting wind speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour, and we're expecting open ocean swells of up to 3.5 meters. Now for the east, we're expecting moderate beach conditions near East London with wind speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. Poor beach weather is forecast near Durban, Richards Bay, as well as for the Wild Coast, and we're expecting wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. Well, that's all for now from the Weather Center. Have a good one.